I can't keep living like this. I feel like I'm drowning. I've never been so down in the dumps. Those were the first words Jade spoke when she walked into my office. At 53, this successful marketing executive was barely holding it together, but her depression treatment turned things around. Hi, I'm Dr. A. I'm an integrative psychiatrist and lifestyle medicine physician. Jade had been struggling with depression for about 8 months. Her energy was gone, her joy had vanished, simple tasks felt impossible. She had tried 2 different antidepressants, but the side effects were brutal: weight gain, zero libido, fatigue, and brain fog. She could barely function at work. I feel like I'm trading one problem for another, she told me. The depression is awful, but these medications are stealing who I am. She was not interested in trying another medication and wanted a natural remedy. So we started her on a natural compound made in the body called SAMe. S-adenosylmethionine. Unlike traditional medications that block serotonin reuptake, SAMe works in a different manner. Through a process called methylation, it produces brain chemicals such as serotonin, dopamine, and norepinephrine. Here's what's fascinating about Jade's case. Her labs revealed something crucial: low B12 and folate levels. These nutrients are essential cofactors for SAMe to work properly. Without them, her brain couldn't manufacture the mood chemicals she desperately needed. For Jade, perimenopause was wreaking havoc on her methylation pathways. Her body couldn't convert nutrients into the building blocks for neurotransmitters. It's like having a car factory with no raw materials. You can't build what you need. We started Jade on 200 milligrams daily and gradually increased the dose to 800 milligrams daily. I explained that unlike antidepressants, SAMe often works faster, sometimes within days rather than weeks. Additionally, we administered methylated B12 and folate to her. By the way, if you're interested in supplements for your mental health, I have a free guide available in the description below. One of Jade's concerns was addiction, but I let her know SAMe was not a substance that led to addiction. Week 1 brought subtle changes. Jade's sleep improved slightly. Her morning brain fog started lifting. By week 3, she was doing a lot better. I woke up and actually wanted to get out of bed, she said. I haven't felt that in almost a year. Here's the science behind her transformation. SAMe doesn't just boost neurotransmitters, it supports methylation throughout your entire body. This process is crucial for hormone production, detoxification, and cellular repair. When perimenopause disrupts methylation, everything suffers. Jade's energy returned first, then her motivation. By week 6, she was exercising again, something she had abandoned months earlier. Her libido came back, something that never happened on traditional antidepressants. But SAMe isn't magic. It doesn't work for everyone. About 30% of people don't respond, and some experience agitation, insomnia, or other side effects. That's why we started Jade slowly and monitored her closely. The most remarkable part is that Jade's transformation wasn't just about the supplements. As her depression lifted, she had the energy to address other root causes: her chronic stress, poor sleep habits, and inflammatory diets. Many women in peri and post-menopause struggle with depression that doesn't respond well to traditional treatments. Jade's story reminds us that depression isn't always about SSRIs. Science-backed natural remedies can be helpful. Nutrient deficiency, hormones, inflammation, and gut dysbiosis also need to be looked at. Your brain doesn't exist in isolation, so a root cause approach is key. One of the ways to ensure your brain functions optimally is to take the right supplements. The next video discusses the top 5 supplements to consider during perimenopause and postmenopause.